Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 hard-anodized cookware sets available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best hard-anodized cookware sets. The 5th product on our list is the NutriChef. Cooking is fun and convenient with the NutriChef Cookware Set. It is a 12-piece set that includes a 1.5 liquid quart saucepan pot with lid, 3.4 liquid quart Dutch oven pot with lid, 2 liquid quart cooking pot with lid, 11-inch large fry pan, 9.5-inch medium fry pan, 8-inch small fry pan, a soup ladle, pasta fork, and spatula. The pots are equipped with see-through tempered glass lids with vent holes. These holes allow steam to escape, eliminating the need to open the pot when cooking constantly. The interior has a non-stick coating that allows easy food release or tossing, cleaning, and healthy cooking. At the same time, the hard-anodized exterior is resistant to high heat. Apart from being non-stick, this cookware set is eco-friendly and free from toxic materials. The pot set features cool-to-the-touch ergonomic handles that are heat-resistant, comfortable, and safe. The pots and pans' external surface have elegant, sleek, metallic ridge-line patterns that give it a stylish and modern look. Additionally, the utensils are made of heat-resistant nylon silicone. These pots and skillet fry pans are safe for use in gas, electric, ceramic, and induction counters. They conduct heat quickly and evenly, retain heat longer, save energy and time, and are dishwasher safe. Its pros are: it includes all the necessary cooking items. It has an elegant design, and its body heats up quickly and uniformly. However, the cons are: its large pan does not have a covering lid, and its cooking surface does not recommend using metal utensils on it. The NutriChef cookware set is great for home cooks and professionals. It is a cookware set that can heat up within a short time. Up next in the 4th place is the T-fal All-In-One. This cookware allows you to get on your cooking adventure with convenience. The T-fal All-In-One hard-anodized non-stick cookware is constructed with a rugged hard-anodized aluminum that enables even heat distribution and retention. Its interior has a titanium-reinforced non-stick coating that helps prevent the sticky and wasteful mess that occurs with conventional pots. This makes your cooking easier and cleanup smoother. It has a strong protective layer that makes it resistant to smudges, corrosion, and other damages. Whether you decide to use an electric stove, a gas cooker, or an oven, this multifunctional cookware set is durable for everyday and long-term use. However, it is not induction compatible. Its silicone handles are oven-safe, withstanding a temperature of up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Built with a thermospot indicator, the ring surrounding the spot turns red to indicate that the pans are properly heated and ready for you to add your ingredients. This helps to evenly cook your food while ensuring that the nutrients remain sealed. These pots are free from toxins and offer multi-purpose versatility with their wide range of pots and pans: fry, brown, saute, steam, slow cook, and more. Its silicone utensils are also heat resistant. This cookware is stackable, saving you more cabinet space. Lastly, it is dishwasher safe and has a lifetime unlimited warranty. Its pros are: this cookware set has a non-stick finish. Their lids and handles stay cool to touch during cooking, and the pans and lids are oven-safe up to 350 degrees. However, its heat distribution is poor on electric ranges. The T-fal All-In-One has always been a home chef's delight. It is the safest PFOA-free non-stick pan in the market that cooks evenly. Still haven't found the hard-anodized cookware set that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Rachael Ray Cucina. If you are looking for an efficient cookware set that best complements your modern kitchen decor and makes for a convenient cooking adventure, then the Rachael Ray Cucina is your best bet. This cookware set comes with 12 pieces of hard-anodized aluminum-made non-stick cookware with silicone-covered riveted steel handles designed for a comfortable and sturdy grip. The material used to make the pots and pans promotes quick and even heating while reducing hot spots throughout your cooking process. Its interior has a durable PFOA-free espresso-colored nonstick coating for easy tossing, food release, and cleaning. Each saucepan, stockpot, and sauté pan features shatter-resistant glass lids with wide stainless steel rims designed to minimize heat and moisture loss when cooking. This kitchenware consists of all the essential cookware, such as 1 and 2 quart saucepans with lid, 6 quart stockpot with lid, 8.5 and 10-inch frying pans, 3 quart sauté pan with lid, slotted nylon turner, and spoon. Twice as hard as stainless steel, these hard anodized pots and pans will last in your kitchen and are oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. They are also dishwasher safe. Note that these pans are lightweight and might be a little less sturdy than similar pans when cooking a low quantity of food or liquid on some stoves. Its pros are: it evenly distributes heat on gas and electric ranges, it is dishwasher safe, and the lids and handles stay cool to touch during cooking. However, the handles are riveted, making them difficult to clean. Cook with style using the Rachael Ray Cucina Cookware Set. This 12-set cookware set will help you prepare meals from start to finish with all the convenience you need to make cooking fun and easy. The second product on our list is Gotham Steel. As strong as stainless steel cookware is, its density does not match Gotham Steel Pro Non-Stick Hard-Anodized aluminum cookware. This cookware set is the first product of its class to utilize high-grade titanium and ceramic as surface finishing, ensuring maximal durability and multifunctionality. The hard-anodized aluminum exterior is non-porous, highly wear-resistant, and efficient for long-term use. The pots and pans have a thick base that allows them to retain and evenly distribute heat, preventing burnt spots or pan warping even on high heat settings. Cooking with this cookware is healthy. It is free from toxins and has titanium and ceramic coating that needs little to no oil for your cooking. Your food slides right off with ease and the flavor remains intact even when cooking tomato-based or any acidic food products. This cookware set is rust-proof, ideal for stovetop cooking and baking. Moreover, the pots and pans have clear, break-resistant glass lids that fit tightly to seal in the food's nutrients. Meanwhile, the sturdy stainless steel cool-to-touch handles provide a sturdy and safe grip. Lastly, the reinforced non-stick surface allows for easy, hassle-free cleanup and is dishwasher safe. The set includes an 8, 10, and 12.5-inch frying pan, 1.5, 2.5, and 3-quart saucepan with lid, 3-quart chef's pan with lid, and 6-quart stockpot with lid. Its pros are: it is safe for use with other metal utensils, it has a complete set of all necessary kitchen items, and it is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. However, its pan seems too light. Nevertheless, the Gotham Steel Cookware Set offers a larger capacity non-stick property. It will suit most professional cooks and home cooks. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top hard-anodized cookware set is the Anolon Advanced. Thanks to its durable construction, the Anolon Advanced hard-anodized non-stick cookware set explicitly stands out from its counterparts. This 11-ware cookware set includes 3-quart covered saucepan, 3-quart covered sauté, 8-quart covered stockpot, 8-inch French skillet, and a 12-inch covered deep skillet with helper handle. It is also oven safe at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and ideal for all stove types except induction. Apart from being lead, PFOA, and cadmium-free, the non-stick coating used in this cookware's interior and exterior makes for effortless food release and easy cleanup after use. The heavy-duty hard-anodized surface provides efficient, even heat distribution to reduce hotspots that can burn food. On the other hand, the Sure Grip handles have rubberized stainless steel for a sturdy, confident grip and are dual-riveted for added strength. The pots and pans are equipped with shatter-resistant glass lids, allowing you to monitor your cooking without losing heat, moisture, or flavor. Every piece in the cookware set is ideal for a full range of adventurous cooking, from special occasion feasting to weekday breakfasting and everything in between. Aesthetically, this cookware complements your kitchen and dining settings. In addition to being long-lasting, this product provides a lifetime warranty. Its pros are: its break-resistant lids and Sure Grip handles are oven-safe. Its hard-anodized body distributes heat evenly, and its beautiful and elegant design will complement your kitchen. However, it is not dishwasher safe. Anolon Advanced combines beauty and functionality. If you are looking for durable cookware sets with even heat distribution, this one's for you. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.